Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to just take a couple of minutes and talk about what I use to mount my action cameras and any other small video equipment you might have to your vehicle for making content. You don't need $1,000 worth of mounting solutions. It's very simple, and I'm going to talk about the 3 accessories that I find the most useful and that might help you out as a starting point. Is it limited to 3? Absolutely not. Am I going to expand my accessories? Yes, I am. But to get started, there's only 3 that you need. And let's take a look at the 3 that I think you'll get the most use of. Obviously, you're going to need the mounting surface itself. I'm using Bulletpoint, and this is their Ruby Grid mounting system. They're not sponsoring the video. I didn't get a break. They didn't send me nothing for free. I bought this online and installed it myself. There's no sponsorship here. You're going to need the Ruby Grid for your vehicle. They make them for everything. Tacomas, JKs, JLs, F-Series trucks, GM products. They're custom fit just for your vehicle. Once you get that installed, now we'll talk about the minimum number of accessory mounting points that I believe you'll need. You'll see up here I have 2 mounting points. When you're putting equipment on your dash to get started in making content, I think you should have 2 mounting points, and that allows you to run 2 mounting solutions at the same time. Let me show you the 2 that I chose for the interior of the Jeep. The first mounting point that I suggest you get would be a cell phone mount. And I always mount this one a little bit out of the way so it goes off to the right side. You see how easy these mount? Get it on nice and sturdy. Take your phone. And there you have it. Real simple. It allows hands-free operation of your phone. I don't use my phone very much for recording, especially in the vehicle. It's just shaky. It doesn't have the image stabilization that works as good as the action camera. So this is the first one that I'll do. Now we'll get this out of the way so it doesn't block the view. And then the other one I do for when I'm recording content while I'm driving or sitting in out of the rain or whatever is one for your action camera. And there you have it. Those are the 2 pieces of mounting equipment that I use. And that's all you need on the inside. You can get variable length mounting arms. There's a lot of different style brackets you can get. This one has the GoPro bracket, the 3-prong bracket, but you can change that out for a multitude of mounting solutions. And like I said, you can get different length arms. Am I going to expand in the future? Absolutely. They have a lot of equipment that I want to try out, especially external mounting on the vehicle. But to just get started, these 2 mounting points inside, and you can do just about anything you want. This is just I'm using it as a prop. This is my old GoPro 8. It's about 900 years old, and I use it for non-permissive environments, meaning if I'm going to attach it to the outside of the vehicle and I'm up in the woods, if it gets knocked off, hopefully it doesn't break, but if it does, I'm not out a lot of money. I'm filming on my new camera, which is a lot higher quality. It goes up to 8K. That one I'm not going to expose to any kind of damage or anything by mounting it outside. So any non-permissive footage that I want to get, I'll use the old one. And that's a pretty clean setup, and that's basically all you really need. And then the third piece of equipment I suggest you get is the suction cup mount by Bulletpoint. This thing is really good quality. It sticks to anything smooth, whether it's a window, a body panel on your vehicle. Nothing textured. It doesn't stick very good to anything that's textured. but anything smooth, it'll hook right on, and you can get some really good footage that way. And it sets up pretty easy. I'm going to try to do this with one hand here. And there you go. Very simple. Make sure everything's snug. You don't want to over tighten it because it is plastic, but it is a pretty heavy duty, high density plastic, so it's fairly durable. But you don't want to kill it. But you can give it a good snug, and it works pretty good. I really like it. Those are the 3 mounting points that I highly recommend. They will get you going in any direction you want to go. They work really good. They're easy to set up. And then as time goes on and you want to expand, absolutely buy more mounts. I'm going to buy a lot more, but it's going to take a little bit of time. I'll do one here, one there, as I figure out what I need. I'm not buying everything right now because, to be honest with you, I'm new enough at this. I don't know what I need. I don't know what's going to contribute. But that's the good thing about it. Once you get the grid installed, the mounts are very economical. They're high quality. And as you learn what you're doing and you find situations change and you may need a different solution, you can add just that specific mount. It's a good product. I highly recommend it. Like I said, they never help me out. They don't know me from Adam. This is based on my personal experience. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a fantastic summer, and I'll see you on the next one.